Anybody that didn't support my mother doesn't deserve to exist.
The weight of this moment made for tense exchanges in front of the Supreme Court. Thousands of protesters on both sides of this debate, acutely aware of what's at stake.
I feel like this is a moment in history. We do not think we need abortion to be successful, and abortion hurts women, and women deserve a lot better than that.
I feel frustrated and also confused. I don't really understand why people care. What other people do with their bodies.
Demonstrators set up speakers to listen to the proceedings here, but competing chants drown much of it out. The court is weighing arguments on a Mississippi law that bans abortion after 15 weeks. It's a challenge to the landmark Roe versus Wade decision, which prevents states from banning abortion before the point of fetal viability, roughly the 23 or 24-week mark.
During 2 hours of arguments, the conservative majority on the court appeared open to supporting the Mississippi law.
If it really is an issue about choice, why is 15 weeks not enough time?
Abortion bans have got to go.
It's unclear if the majority will go further and overturn the Roe versus Wade decision, which would allow states to ban abortion outright. Anti-abortion activists are more hopeful than ever, as the 3 judges appointed by former President Donald Trump appear sympathetic to their cause.
It certainly is the best chance in a generation. If the justices are true to their oath to uphold and defend the Constitution, Roe will be overturned.
But there is a warning: the court's reputation will be damaged if its position changes because of its new members rather than legal arguments.
Will this institution survive the stench that this creates in the public perception that the Constitution and its reading are just political acts?
So, Katie, you're just outside the U.S. Supreme Court. What happens now?
It's a waiting game now, Adrienne. It will be a few months before the court's decision is released. States that want to ban abortion have long prepared for the potential in this moment. At least 20 have passed pieces of legislation known as trigger bills. If at any point Roe versus Wade is overturned, they immediately kick into effect and ban abortion. Women's rights advocates say it would be devastating. So the next few months will be a mix of anxiety and hope in this divisive debate. Adrienne.
All right, thank you. That's Katie Simpson at the U.S. Supreme Court in Washington.